The ROG Ally X and MSI Claw 8 are both powerful handhelds in 7-inch and 8-inch sizes, respectively, but only one is worth your money and time. I am going to break down their CPU power, real gaming benchmarks, and more. Let's see who takes it. Let's start with what powers these machines. The CPUs. ROG Ally X packs the Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor. This is part of AMD's Phoenix line and is built on the Zen 4 architecture. With 8 cores and 16 threads, it runs at a base clock speed of 3.3 GHz, reaching up to 5.1 GHz when boosted with AMD's Precision Boost. It's a powerhouse, no doubt, with 16 MB of L3 cache for fast load times. On the other side, the MSI Claw 8 AI uses Intel's Core Ultra processor, also an 8-core chip, but with a difference. Intel splits its cores into 4 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, running at 2.2 GHz base and boosting up to 4.8 GHz. Intel's unique Lunar Lake architecture allows for better performance per watt, making it highly efficient. It also comes with Intel Turbo Boost Max Technology 3 for optimized core usage. Now let's see their performance breakdown. In Geekbench 6 scores, the MSI Claw 8 AI outshines the ROG Ally X in single-core performance, 2,748 versus 2,516, showing Intel's efficiency in handling lighter tasks. However, when switched to multi-core performance, the ROG Ally X takes the lead with 12,153 versus 10,468 for the Claw 8. This means if you're looking for raw, heavy-duty power, the ROG Ally X wins, especially for long-running tasks like video encoding or 3D rendering. The MSI Claw 8 is powered by Intel's Arc 140V GPU, built on the new Battlemage architecture. With 8 Xe cores and boost speeds up to 2 GHz, it offers efficient performance for most modern games, especially at lower presets. The ROG Ally X, on the other hand, features AMD's Radeon 780M, based on the RDNA3 architecture. It packs 12 compute units and can boost up to 2.7 GHz, delivering nearly double the graphical power, around 8.3 teraflops, compared to the Claw's 4.2. That means smoother performance and better visuals, especially in graphically demanding titles. In Callisto Protocol, using low settings with FSR2, the Claw 8 pulled around 43 frames per second. The ROG Ally X came in at 34. Cyberpunk 2077 on low settings was impressive too. The Claw 8 hit 66 FPS using Intel's XeSS. The Ally X followed with 58 FPS on AMD's FSR3, and in Red Dead Redemption 2, again on low settings, the Claw 8 hit about 64 FPS, while the Ally X managed 51. So, yeah, the Claw 8 clearly has a lead in raw frame rates, but the Ally X still performs well, especially if you don't mind adjusting a few settings. Both devices use LPDDR5X RAM, but there are some differences worth noting. The Ally X comes with 24 GB of LPDDR5X RAM running at 7,500 MHz, and the MSI Claw 8 packs 32 GB of LPDDR5X RAM running at 8,533 MHz. While the Ally X has a slightly lower memory capacity, the MSI Claw 8 boasts a higher memory speed, and its RAM is placed directly on top of the chip, reducing latency. This means that Claw 8 is a little more responsive in memory-heavy tasks. Both handhelds have unique designs, tailored for comfort and performance, but let's see how they compare in terms of ergonomics. The ROG Ally X feels premium and comfortable to hold, with a 7-inch screen, solid cooling, and a layout that works well for long gaming sessions. It's a bit bulkier than you might expect, but that's the trade-off for the power it packs. The MSI Claw 8 comes with a larger 8-inch screen and is slightly heavier, mainly due to its size and internal setup. One key difference is that the RAM is built directly onto the chip, which helps with both cooling and performance. Despite the weight, it still feels sturdy and portable in hand. If comfort is your priority, especially during long sessions, the ROG Ally X has the edge. Its compact, ergonomic design is easier to hold for extended play, particularly for gamers with smaller hands. The build feels premium without being overly bulky. The MSI Claw 8, in contrast, comes with a larger screen and beefier internals. It's a bit heavier in the hand with 795 grams of weight, which can be less ideal for portability, but it makes up for it with noticeably better CPU performance. Its Intel architecture handles more demanding tasks with ease, giving you smoother gameplay in more intensive titles. Battery life is fairly similar on both devices, so your choice comes down to priorities. If you want a bigger screen and more horsepower, the Claw 8 delivers. But if you value comfort, portability, and a design that favors longer, more relaxed play sessions, the ROG Ally X is the smarter pick. So, which handheld do you think is better? Let us know. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the NextCube channel.